Hey boys and girls and families, Miss Long here. I wanted to show you what it looked like from the student's view and how you can upload your documents and your assignments to Teams. I am signed in right now as a student, so the student I will be working on, I'm going to be going through their Teams here, which is the web version. But you guys usually will use the desktop version, but I just wanted to show you how you would go ahead and upload your documents. So if you notice here, this is in assignments. In the last video, I showed you how to download the PowerPoints and also to save them to your desktop. So if these files are saved on your desktop, these are very easy to access. So here's the All About Me PowerPoint. So if I click on this assignment here, excuse me, let's get that out of there. Oops, sorry guys. Here we go. So here's the All About Me PowerPoint. When I click on that, we can see here is the document here. I would have already previously downloaded that, worked on it, saved it to my desktop. And then here it says My Work. And right here we can say Add Work. So when I click on this Add Work button, okay, I have a couple of options. I have OneDrive, where the student doesn't have anything in OneDrive, a new file, a link if it was a YouTube or some sort of video from Teams. But what we're actually going to be clicking on is uploading from this device. When I click on this, I have saved everything that I need here on my desktop. So it is already on my desktop and I can look and look, there we go. There's my student of the week, Amy. I've saved it with my first name. So when I click on this, I can go ahead and click on open. And now it is uploading my document, my PowerPoint that I created to the assignment. And we'll just wait a minute. It's thinking, it's uploaded. I click done. And look, here's my PowerPoint here. And then all I need to do is click turn in. And let's see what happens. Okay, so there we go. I got a big scoop of ice cream and something else. So then it just says turned in and the date. Because this is somebody else's account, I am actually going to do the undo turn in. But that is how we go ahead and upload those documents to our assignments tab in Teams. We'll review this in class, but I hope this was helpful. See you tomorrow.